Hey, I'm Shivansh and I'm trying to solve the most critical issue in Web3 right now, which is mass adoption. So for that I'm creating this project, PolkaPOS, which is a revolutionary way of accepting crypto payments for people who are non-native users, who don't even know properly how to use even Web2 tech. So let's get to it. So the problem is that most of the wallet apps, their procedure is very alien for people who don't even know how to properly use a phone. And this is a very huge roadblock when it comes to mass adoption, and it basically has way more friction than even cash. So for that, I introduced a two-component POS system where there is no need to even install an app. Everyone can just start accepting payments as long as you have a Polkadot wallet. I implemented this to get transaction alerts where you don't even need to open your phone to receive alerts for your transaction, so that it does not get in your way of doing business. And I have also implemented a way in which merchants can start getting transaction alerts without even checking their phone, so that you can focus on your business aspect and do stuff that truly matters. So let's get to how it works. So basically, there are two systems in this project. One is a web-based payment kiosk, where it's a very no-nonsense system, and you just open a very simplified UI. You enter your Polkadot merchant address, and you enter the amount that you're requesting from the customer, and it will generate a QR code using Polkadot React QR library, and it will be easily scannable through all the major Polkadot wallets. So the customer just has to scan the QR, and he would be able to process the payments. So here is a very simplified merchant stuff. I just have entered my address. You can ask for both Polkadot and Kusama, and yeah, let me just request it, and it will generate a QR code which would be scannable by all the major wallets that we're using. So yeah, that's the POS system. Now, so the other component is a low-cost payment alert sandbox. So it's based on a very cheap microcontrollers, and like Raspberry Pi, and you can deploy it there. Polkadot API with small dot workers, which is a very lightweight line, so you don't have to worry about constant internet connectivity issues, because and it will uh, monitor your wallet for transactions that you will receive through on both Polkadot and Kusama, so you don't need to check your wallet balance every time someone does a payment to you, right? And it will announce a speaker announcement using text to speech on how much payment you have received from the customer. So you don't need to like check your phone constantly or be in this anxiety state. So that's the issue I'm trying to solve, which is a huge roadblock in accepting crypto payments. So let me give you a demo of how it would work. I just built a low-cost sound box on whatever hardware which was available to me.
0.3 DOT received on PolkaPOS.
Hey, so thanks for sticking at the end for the demo, and let's talk about what the future plans are in case I run the grant for the hackathon. So I plan to integrate more integrations with different chains, add stablecoin support, and in this hardware component, I am also planning to add NFC tag payments, so that in addition to QR code, and I'm also planning to add ZK-based privacy infra into it, because I'm a huge proponent of privacy, and I already working at a privacy protocol. We are doing a lot of ZK stuff, so I would like to use my knowledge to transfer it into this project. So yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions regarding the project, you can reach out to me on Twitter. My Twitter is ShivanshXYZ. So thanks for sticking till the end for the demo.